Alrighty, great. Here's your 49 big block Chevelle. Your description is Tom H. Got a set of our ass cast heads, custom grind hydraulic roll, Moroso oil pan. It's got an Eagle cranking rods, J&E pistons. We just kind of got one of our dyno manifold hardware and stuff on it. We'll make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okey doke, 3,500, 558 foot-pounds torque, peak torque 558, so good and flat down through there. Peak horsepower 576, rated at 550, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. I'll show you a couple of things. See, you're going to find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. On the engine will be this tab. It'll have your engine numbers, motor specs. If you need it to rust, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. QR code, take your sport tech stuff. Have a great day.